Hey, welcome to Yarn World.
Circle, circle, round and round, rolling smoothly on the ground. Look at the sun, look at the moon, circles in the sky, morning and noon. Square, square, four sides the same. It's in a box, it's in a frame. Windows, tiles, and a yummy cake. Squares are everywhere we make. Triangle, triangle, pointy and neat. Three sides make a pizza treat. It's on a flag, it's on a roof. Triangles sure are the proof. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide. Doors and books they love to hide. Four sides like a square but not the same. Rectangles win the shape game.
Please subscribe to Yarn World. Thank you for watching.